Hi guys, I'm Rory from VMware's end user computing team. I'm joined here with Scott from EUC Compete team. And today we want to talk to you about virtual desktop infrastructure and RDS hosted applications in Horizon 6. So Scott, there's been a lot of talk lately, a lot of buzz around RDS hosted applications, and from the other series of videos that we've done, can agree that it's pretty awesome, right? What kind of place does VDI have in the enterprise architecture when we're looking at Horizon specifically?
Actually, most use cases are still there. In case in point, you've got the GPU acceleration,
Right, okay.
where VDI is tremendously beneficial to a high-end graphical interface type use cases, AutoCAD, things like that.
Things like developer desktops and people doing like
absolutely.
big CPU intensive stuff. Yeah,
absolutely.
So can I virtualize every application on RDS hosted apps? Do my desktops need to be completely blank, or am I still not quite out of the woods with that?
Well, coming from a XenApp background, I can tell you not every application plays well in a multi-user environment.
Right. Okay.
And some apps will remain on a physical, or in this case, virtual machine, and some apps will be able to be virtualized and run on an RDS host.
So you're telling me now that so I could have a blend of, if I have RDS hosted applications, I could deliver those into a virtual desktop as well?
Absolutely. Rory, let me fire up a connection to one of my virtual desktops and show you exactly what I mean.
Cool, okay.
So up comes the virtual desktop, I log in.
All right, so you've got workspace in the virtual desktop here, and on here you've got your RDS hosted apps as well as the other like SaaS apps and bits and pieces on there too, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Cool, okay.
Now let's go ahead and show you running a remote desktop hosted application with Horizon, running on our Horizon virtual desktop.
Right, awesome. So you've got a Horizon client inside the virtual desktop. So we've got a double hop going on here.
Yes, we do.
Right? So it's PC over IP, and then you're making a PC over IP connection out to the RDS hosted app.
That's exactly what we're doing here.
Awesome. Okay. So that's great. But what if that application session? What if I want to what if I go home and I've got a Mac and I don't have access to my virtual desktop?
Well, the nice thing you can do with this solution is the session actually can follow you from device to device.
All right. It's like follow me applications.
Yes, it is, and basically you don't lose your place.
All right. So if we fire that up, so if I just connect in here to your workspace,
yes,
and we fire up Word. So it's the same session you had running inside the virtual desktop there, comes down to the Mac here.
Yes.
So the application is totally portable, and so this could presumably this would work on things like the iPad, any other devices that I give external access out to as well.
It certainly does. So Rory, what this actually does is it really blows the doors off your ability to deliver these solutions to your end user community. As an architect and an engineer, you can engineer solutions where applications and virtual desktops are available on any device, to any user anywhere. So Rory, basically what I'm saying is the applications follow you.
That's awesome. That's a really impressive demo. Thanks a lot, Scott.
My pleasure. And if you want more information on this, please visit the VMware website.